Late nights vibes glow, cursor on that bezel, layers stacked thick, sharper than a chisel. Adobe in the veins, maestro with the pixel. MeRaz DGR, vision keeps the world in drizzle. He's crafting scenes where dreams reside, color wheels splitting the cosmic tide. From blueprint to magic, no need to decide. MeRaz DGR, where perfection collides. Brush and clone, tools on the throne. Photoshop wizard, his talents have grown. Gradient flows like sunsets alone. Each project a monolith, elegantly sewn. Click, drag, drop, finesse on repeat. Typesets, crisp, harmony, discreet. Every shadow whispers, textures compete. A high quality designer can't face defeat. Caffeine fueled thoughts, imagination ignite. Sketchbook sprawls burning midnight light. From drafts to finesse, every curve so tight.